everybody. This is Melanie. Welcome back to Crafting Chaos with Melanie. In today's video, I want to show you what I got from Cherry on Top, and it is Simple Stories new Christmas paper. And guys, they're beautiful. They're beautiful. I didn't get it all. It may look like I got it all, but I didn't. There's one collection I didn't get, and I may go back. I'm not for sure. I will leave all these products below, and I will tell you I'm so sorry. I am so sorry about that. I officially am an affiliate with Cherry on Top. That's exciting. If you love paper, they have all kinds of products. But if you are a paper lover and you like all the latest papers, they are definitely somebody to go check out. As always, if you click any of the links below, I do get a small commission. And I will tell you, I'm just not doing this just because, you know, I am an affiliate. I buy from Cherry on Top all the time. I have for years. And I just happened to fill out the program and was accepted. So I thought that was pretty cool. So let's go over the paper really quick. All right, the first collection is Simple Vintage Flannel Season. Oh my goodness, guys. This is so pretty. Look at the sticker sheet. Flannel season, let's get cozy. Oh, look at this. These have my heart. Look at the Frosty and the reindeers. Oh my goodness. Look right here. Oh, this is so pretty. So pretty. And you guys know I'm not a big sticker person. I love these stickers. I cannot wait to create with this. And here is the paper. All right. So as always, Simple Stories, you get, here it is. You got the 12 by 12 collection kit. So I got 12 double-sided designer cardstocks, including a cut-apart element and a 12 by 12 cardstock stickers. All right. So let's see. This is front and back. Look at that, how pretty. Let's flip that over. Oh my gosh. This is the one thing I wish Simple Stories would start doing 2 sheets of each. Look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's flip that over. Oh, look at that. If you like blue and snow. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at the blue and the green. You flip it over. Oh, my goodness. I live in Florida. I live in tropical Florida. I'm in Naples. I'm about as far south as you can get. It's a little bit below me. But, you know, we don't get snow here. Oh my gosh. Gosh, this paper's beautiful. I gotta move on. I got a lot to show you. Ooh, that's so pretty. There you go. And then you got the red with the houses. Oh, look at the houses. It's got the little church. All right, here we come into the tag sheet. So this should be front and back tags, and they are. Oh, look at these tags. You know what I think would be cute? To do a little tag mini album with all these. Just cut all these out. Put them on a binder clip. And then on the backs of them, have the little 2x3 photos. You know what? I might do that. I seriously think I'm going to do that. It's something I've never done. I love these tags. These tags are gorgeous. And you don't want to put anything on them because they're so pretty. I mean, there's a couple there, but... Oh. All right, here you got this. And then your cut-aparts. Okay, these cut-aparts are cute. Look at that snowman. Can you see? Oh, it's so pretty. And I'm sure this is cut apart. Yep. These look very realistic. Look at that tree. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is like vintage meets modern maybe. Oh, look at the skiers. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. And I'm sure this is a cut apart. See, this is what kills me. Look at this right here. And you flip it over. Oh, I love the 2x2s. My favorite thing to do in a mini album are these 2x2s. This is so cute. I cannot wait to do something with this. Look at this. And I will tell you, the one thing that I love about Cherry on Top, they sell individual sheets of this. So when you get to these cut-aparts and you want to use the cut-aparts, you can buy the individual sheet, which I've done. I've done that. I don't know which ones that I bought. I didn't bring them in here, but I did buy individual sheets of some of these. Okay, so this is the vintage flannel, and I did get the 6x8. It is different. Let's just flip through. Oh, look at that. Right there's an album cover. Are you kidding me? Right there's your album cover. 6x8. A folio. Whatever. Look at this. Sweater. And this is coming apart. Huh. You got that. Oh, look at that. How pretty. Winter Adventures. Frosted Landscapes. Oh, so pretty. And there's the tags in a much smaller form. The trees. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, I love this. And then it goes back again. So it's the same thing. So I did get that. And then I got the bits and pieces on this one. And there's the bits and pieces. I'm just going to hold this up. Let's see if you can see those. I don't really want to get them out. Is it? I think that it's showing. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. So that is the Simple Vintage Flannel Season. Oh my goodness. So pretty. So pretty. So pretty. All right. Let's put this to the side. You know what? I found the single 12x12s. Let's see. I did buy it. See, I bought this in a single so I could have that. And I bought that in a single so I could have it. So I did buy the singles for all the cut-aparts in that collection. See, I was smart. I was smart. All right. So next we have All Wrapped Up. Now this, I just got the paper collection. I didn't buy anything extra with this one. This is Simple Stories All Wrapped Up. Oh, this is a pretty one. All right. Again, this is 139 pieces. So you get a lot of stickers. And 12 sheets of double-sided paper. The normal. Very collage. Very pretty. And there's the back. Honeycomb. Or pine cones. You could fuzzy cut these out, which is exactly what I would do with those. Oh, look at the back of that. Ooh, I love this. If you like to make junk journals, this paper collection is screaming journals to me. Look at this. 100%. Guys, I wish you could smell this. That's so pretty. I've never seen, I don't think I've ever seen the music paper on red like that. That's pretty. And here we go. The holly and the polka dots. Guys, this is screaming junk journal. This is screaming. Oh, look at that. Okay, that's gorgeous. That's beautiful. Look at the tree, or the car with the tree. I love it. Oh, here we go with the, oh, those are so pretty. And then this cut apart sheet. We got this. Jingle All the Way. I love this. There's my 2x2s that I absolutely love. Oh, I didn't show the back of that. Very pretty. Am I the only person that loves Christmas paper? Oh, wow. You get 2. Okay. That's different. What? Look at that. 2 sheets. Wow, that is pretty. Okay, look at that Santa. Oh my goodness. Did this come with it or did I buy it separate, guys? I don't know. I put it together, so I'm not sure. Look at these stickers, how gorgeous. I think both of these, because there was over 100 stickers. Oh my gosh, this sticker sheet is gorgeous. This is stunning. Okay, I'm in love with this. You know what? That doesn't go with that. Ignore that. That shouldn't have been in there. This is the one that comes with this collection. Okay. I've got things mixed up. This is Believe. Yeah, I messed up. That's a whole different collection. I messed up. Okay, so this collection was all wrapped up. And like I said, with this one, all I got was the paper collection, which is plenty. You could do such a beautiful album with just the 12 by 12 paper collection, okay? So don't feel like you have to get everything, although some of them you do, right? Simple Vintage Believe. This one is the one who had my heart. This is the one that I went a little nutty on. So you saw the stickers. I mistakenly showed you all the way. So this is Simple Vintage Believe. I do think this will be their hot ticket this year. I think this one is the prettiest. I love it. And let's just see what we got. We got, really, right there. That says it all right there. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Look at the trees. Oh, this is so pretty. This is pretty. Look at that chalkboard. It's like a chalkboard scene. That is beautiful. The poinsettias. Oh, look at that. Okay. I hope the camera's getting this. How pretty. Wow. I love this. There's the green. Oh. See, this is where it gets me. Like, seriously, look at this paper. You want both sides of this paper. Simple stories. Do a bigger paper pack. Come on, listen to us. I think we should all write simple stories and tell them we want 2 sheets of each design. I'll pay a little more. I wind up buying 2 packs anyway when I love it. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. There's the tags. Look at Santa. Wow. Look at this. Those ornaments are beautiful. And of course on the back, how do you decide? Like when you get a paper pack like this, how do you decide? You don't. Buy an extra sheet. Okay, this, oh wow, this green is beautiful. I hope the camera's picking this up. And it's got the same as this one back here, I believe. No, yeah, it's the same, but this one's green. Oh, that's so pretty. And of course, this is going to have cut aparts on the back. And these cut aparts are equally as beautiful. And then they have it in red. I don't know that I needed 3 sheets, just different colors of the same thing. Especially when the back is your cut aparts. Really? Oh, look at this. Look at that. You guys are going to have to tell me what is your favorite one. What is your favorite one? Right there, Santa. Love that. And then here's the stickers for this one. This is the one we were just looking at. Look at these stickers. These stickers are incredible. And look at the words. Okay, I splurged on this one. Okay, that is Vintage Believe. I did get the ephemera. This is the bits and pieces. So this is all the little things that go with it. I got the frames. Oh my gosh, guys. What is wrong with me? Look at these frames. Look at these frames. Look at the frames. These frames are gorgeous. Look at that. You could make this a shaker easily and put this on the front of an album. I love these frames. I did something different. I got the rub-ons. I never buy rub-ons ever, and I got the rub-ons on these, and these are beautiful. I told you I went overboard. I got the number bits, so the numbers are 1 through 31, December daily. And I got the ephemera. So this is the actual ephemera pack. Ooh, this is pretty. This is very pretty. And then I got the 6x8 designer. Okay, this is for a binder. I'll be honest, when I bought it, I didn't realize it's for a binder, but I'm going to make it work. I think I'm going to have to... I have a binder. I have a binder from last year I didn't use, so maybe this would work in that binder. So pretty. Okay. And then we have the plaid and dots for it with all the colors that match it. There you go. And then I also got the page kit. Guys, I told you that I went crazy. Oh my Lord, what is wrong with me? So pretty. I had to come on and show this. I had to come on and show you all the beautifulness from Simple Stories this year. I think they nailed it. Again, I will link everything that I'm showing you below. You'll have to tell me which one your favorite is. Is it Believe? Is it the Believe collection? Is it the All Wrapped Up collection? Or is it the Vintage Flannel? The Vintage Flannel's pretty, y'all. It's pretty. Like, it's pretty. I actually like it so much better than I liked it, but when I got it in person, I really liked it. All right, guys, I hope you liked this video. I just wanted to share with you my Christmas collection this year. We're on full Christmas mode. My Catherine Puller just went up of her release. I showed y'all this beautiful album that I made, and what's so different from this album that I'm just using paper and stamps. Okay, so I wanted to show how you could take just paper and not have to have all this if you love stamping like I do, and you can still make a beautiful mini album using paper and stamps. So this is so pretty, but I love that. So that just went up, and then the giveaway videos have went up. So there's a lot going on. There's a lot going on, a lot more to come. I do have some stamp sets I want to highlight, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like and subscribe. And again, tell me below which one you like the best. I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.